I'm going to show you how to update your personal information. So I'm going to log in first. Then you navigate to My Profile. Here you can change your first name, last name, your email address. This one has to be unique, therefore it cannot be used within the system. And if you do use one, the system will tell you that that email address is already in use. But you can update your email address as well. Um, your birthday month and birthday day. When you hover over, it gives you those little arrows, or you can just type it in. Then phone number is styled this way. So first is the area code, and then your phone number. And here's the address. So address 1 is required, 2 is not. City, state, country, and zip code are all required. So once you are done with updating, you just click the update personal information, and that's how you update your information.